What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. 4 breaks for you tonight. But first, the bad break drawing, giving away a $10 promo code for Saturday night's break. There are the entries. We'll randomize that list 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is going to be Paul. Congratulations. And we'll start off with the 2014 Triple Threads box number 1. And we'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll paste those results against a list of teams in alphabetical order. And here is the roster for Triple Threads box number 1. All right, good luck, everybody. First, for the Patriots, Julian Edelman. Super short print, 2 out of 25. Going to Robert K. Eagles, Nick Foles, 365 out of 399. Going to Jacob. And AJ Green, Rod Streeter, and AJ Green. For the Bengals, Marvin Jones, 4 touchdowns a week 8 patch. Super short print, 7 out of 18. Bengals going to Paul. Congratulations, Paul. And a rookie jumbo patch for the Jigs, Allen Robinson, 62 out of 99. Going to Ashley. For the Colts, Reggie Wayne, 134 out of 199. Going to Ashley. Bills, CJ Spiller, 157 out of 399. Going to Robert R. And Rod Streeter, Percy Harvin, Larry Fitzgerald. And for the Browns, Johnny Manziel, a gold parallel, rookie auto patch, 17 out of 25. Congratulations, Ryan K. Big Browns fan. Sure you'll like that one. And 5-panel speed patch for the Steelers, Marcus Wheaton, 10 out of 18. And the Steelers going to Rob. That'll do it for box 1. Let's get the roster for box 2. And again, we'll randomize that list 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here's the roster for box number 2 of the Triple Threads. Alright, good luck everybody. Up first for the Cowboys, DeMarco Murray. Super short print 22 out of 25. Going to Johnny N. Saints Jimmy Graham, 290 out of 399. Going to Paul B. And Arian Foster, Robert Mathis, Calvin Johnson. Rookie auto triple patch for the Broncos, Cody Lattimore, 48 out of 99. Going to Ashley. And a rookie jumbo patch for the Browns, Johnny Manziel, 84 out of 99. Browns going to Paul. For the Broncos, Demaryius Thomas, 136 out of 199. Going to Ashley. Bengals, Giovanni Bernard, 45 out of 399. Another one for you, Ashley. Randall Cobb, Robert Quinn, Zach Ertz. Rookie auto patch for the Texans, 73 out of 99. Tom Savage. Texans going to Paul B. And 18,000 career yards for the Cowboys, Emmitt Smith. 30 out of 36. Going to Johnny. Congratulations. Now we'll go to the finest, the box number 1. This one a divisional break. And we'll randomize the list 5 times. And number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll copy those results, paste it against our divisional lineup. And here is the roster for finest, the box number 1. Alright, good luck, everybody. Tony Romo, Jay Cutler, Ray Rice, Trey Mason, rookie refractor for the Rams. Going to Paul, and a Carlos Hyde. Ace Sanders, Robert Mathis, Julius Thomas, Deshaun Jackson, Brandon Cooks. Keenan Allen, Earl Thomas, Michael Lennon, Le'Veon Bell, and a Derek Carr rookie. Sammy Watkins, Ryan Tannehill, Geno Smith, Troy Polamalu. And our first hit going to the Bengals, A.J. McCarron, rookie auto 2-color patch. Bengals going to Brian L. Congratulations, Brian. Matthew Stafford, Arian Foster, Mike Evans, rookie die cut for the Bucks, Troy Nicholas, and Jimmy Garoppolo. Larry Fitzgerald, Andy Dalton, DeMarco Murray, Aaron Donald, and Michael Sam. Reggie Bush, Jordan Cameron, Kigo Alonso, Patrick Peterson, refractor, and Martavis Bryant, rookie. Brian Hartline, Reggie Wayne, DeAndre Hopkins, Michael Sam, Logan Thomas. Sheldon Richardson, Philip Rivers, Russell Wilson, Larry Fitzgerald, and Kadeem Carey. Charles Sims, Clay Matthews, Mike Wallace, Navarro Bowman, and a rookie auto jumbo patch for the Saints, Brandon Cooks. Saints going to Danny C. Congratulations, Danny. Brandon Marshall, Wes Welker, Jimmy Garoppolo, rookie die cut for the Patriots, Khalil Mack, Zach Mettenberger, Kendall Wright, Torrey Smith, Jason Morrow, Odell Beckham Jr., rookie, and Jarvis Landry. That'll do it for box one. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Antonio Brown, Tavon Austin, Logan Thomas, Bishop Sankey, and Jake Matthews. Julio Jones, Adrian Peterson, Nick Foles, Zach Ertz, Prism Refractor, Super Short Print 6 out of 25. Going to Bradley B. And Robert Heron. Moneyball, AJ Green, Luke Kuechly, Drew Brees, Mike Evans. Stephen Morris, Drew Brees, Aaron Rodgers, Matt Forte. And the first hit going to the Patriots, Jimmy Garoppolo, rookie auto 4-color patch. Patriots going to Paul tonight. Congratulations, Paul. Vincent Jackson, Pierre Garcon, Odell Beckham Jr., rookie die cut for the Giants. Jace Amaro and Taylor Lewin. Victor Cruz, Le'Veon Bell, Richard Sherman. Another Prism refractor for the Dolphins, Brian Hartline. This one, 23 out of 99. Going to Paul. And a Teddy Bridgewater rookie. Terrell Suggs, Roddy White, Cordero Patterson, Giovanni Bernard, refractor for the Bengals, and Anthony Thomas. Von Miller, Sean Lee, Alshon Jeffrey, Julian Edelman, and Marcus Lee. Darrell Rivas, Cecil Shorts, Andre Johnson, Brian Hartline, and Jordy Matthews. Zach Martin, Ryan Matthews, Percy Harvin, Aaron Donald. Rookie auto jumbo patch of gold refractor for the Packers, Devontae Adams. 49 out of 50. Going to Norman. Congratulations. Pierre Thomas, LaShawn McCoy, Robert Heron, rookie die cut, CJ Federwitz, and David Fales. Jordy Nelson, Alex Smith, Julian Edelman, gold refractor, 8 out of 75. Going to Paul. Jordan Lynch, and AJ McCarron. And that will do it for tonight's breaks. We're back at it tomorrow with some Contenders football. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.